Good morning, traders. So yesterday we were looking for longs from this demand on the EU, and unfortunately, you can see that we reversed and pushed back down from this 4-hour supply. So obviously, I wanted to break through it since the overall trend is bullish. But you can see we had that move up, pretty nice, and unfortunately, just came back down. So yeah, it was a stop loss on that one, unfortunately. And just right now, there really isn't anything at all because we've obviously just squeezed in between here and here. So just need a breakout, most likely lower, and just wait and see if it's going to maybe start heading down into some of these demands. More likely, I would wait for another minor break and then trade from a fresh demand zone like that. Instead of trying to trade from one of these older zones. But yeah, right now this is just range, so nothing interesting for today. GBPUSD, did see a few comments from you guys that you tried to take shorts yesterday, and yeah, hopefully you got out without any big losses. But yeah, you can see that price actually just came back up for a liquidation, and what we can see now is that we are actually just in a range. So again, you would just need to wait for a clear breakout, just so we have a clear direction. Since GU, again, we're really close to these highs, we should be shifting bearish in line with the overall trend, but it just clearly doesn't have the momentum for that yet. But now that we had the liquidation of the supply, then potentially it's stronger to head down lower. Let's have a look. We don't have any 4-hour supply currently though, and even on the 15-minute, it's very messy, but you are creating liquidity above all these highs, and then maybe you come into the supply zone. But yeah, I would say just be a bit patient for strong confirmation. I wouldn't take that 15-minute setup because you don't have 4-hour supply that aligns with that yet. So potentially, since we had a liquidation on the 4-hour, wait for the break first, and potentially you'll get a supply that forms in here which you can trade out of. So today is Friday. Do we have news? Yeah, we had a few things this morning, but it's pretty chill for the rest of the day. It will probably be the last trading day for most of you. For me personally, I will still continue trading well into the rest of the year. It's just being aware that obviously you could see a lot of ranging price, and yeah, it will just be pretty slow and rangy, but I will still trade, and yeah, I will still be posting next week, even though I'm with family, so maybe the schedule will be a little different. But yeah, see you guys and have a good Christmas.